Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use English learning AI chatbot application. So first of all, you need to install this app from Google Play Store or App Store. Then simply tap on the open button. Then you can see here this app, it's a role for AI tutor. So it is taken to get the interface. So now you have to choose the language you know, then tap here and tap the next button, and in free mode you have to watch the ad. This is real problematic, so skip ad. I'm just going to skip tap get started. So allow, so you can see here ask question, or you can write tweet about self motivation, education, and you can see here it's a profile page, and it's your subscription page, and there's no message, so you can ask them write an question. Hi, so it's processing. Actually this way uh, you can regenerate it, so you can search anything you want. It's really easy to use, and if you want to upgrade your account, tap at GoPro, then you can update. Here you can see couple of options, so you can try. I just message or you can start conversation here, like role play. You can get here your tutor, so tap any of them and write something here. Hi. So actually this way you can use this app. So today's no more, and see you the next video.